Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new Valorant tutorial video. And in this video, we will talk about how to download Valorant match replays. So in order to download our gameplay, we first have to record our gameplay. We will be using OBS. So first, let's open up our Valorant. Here is Valorant that is open. Now let's open OBS. Now select add scene. Give it any name you want. I'll just call it Valo. Okay. Now add a source. Game capture. And you can give it any name you want as well. I'll just call it Valor and click OK. Now in mode, capture specific window. Now select the Valorant window, and window match priority should be window title must match. Click OK. Now if you open Valo and minimize, the Valorant window will show up. Now start recording. And now stop. Now you can see that recording has been saved in this location. Now go to Files, Settings, and now Output. Now recording. You can see the recording path. You can change it as you like. You can also select the recording format and the encoder you'd like. Now go to Video. Here you can set the resolution and the FPS value you want your recording to be at. That's all. Now you can upload your gameplay and download it from anywhere. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.